Well, we take a start with Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a thing you bought and you are happy about it, right? And then there are the sub points, so you got to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Your time starts now.
I bought my phone a year ago, and I bought due to its good looking and due to its finishing, and I like its feature. And in this price range, we got no like this features from other flagships phone, but it give us a very good features in this price range. And I am selected this product due to its feature. Mostly major point is due to its feature. I like this phone, and I buy it from Hafiz Center, which is very famous for its electronic devices, and it is one of the big market in Lahore, and everyone bought his phone from this market. And I'm happy with it, my phone, because when I was getting bored, I spent time almost a day, and I like to click pictures and watching movie, playing games, and editing also. That is the points are like.
That's it?
Yes.
I was expecting some more, huh? All right, you spoke for 1 minute, 5-6 seconds. And overall, it's good that you spoke for at least 1 minute and you focused the topic also. I found grammatical mistakes. Like initially you said it give us. It should have been it gives us. And then I noticed one thing, you are using very limited sentence structure. And most of your sentences were simple sentences. So you need to make some compound sentences, right? Then you said I am selected. I am selected is wrong. I selected. Okay. After that you said I buy it. I bought it. Past tense. Because you know it's all about describe a thing you bought. So I purchased it, I bought it, and all that. Then you said about Hafiz Center, one of the big market. After one of the, we use plural. One of the big markets, plural. And then you said getting bored. It's not getting bored, it's getting bored with D. So these type of mistakes were quite frequent. So in grammatical range and accuracy, you need to work out. Then in vocabulary also, you are using limited vocabulary. Fluency is good, but you need to focus the other things. And as far as your pronunciation is concerned, that is clear. I can understand what you speak, but grammar and vocabulary, these are two areas.
Okay.
Now we move on to speaking part 3. Did you tell anyone after buying that phone?
Yes, I tell my cousins. I told my cousin and my friends also, and he also liked my phone and also tell me that I also.
See, he tell me. It should have been he also liked my phone and he told me, and then something like that. So you need to focus your tenses.
Okay.
Right? You should target all 12 tenses, especially past, present, and future. Let's go on. What are your thoughts about the trend that people buy new things instead of repairing the old ones?
I think that people want to get new phones.
Now we are not talking about phones. We are talking about things. So what do you think? Like people buy new things instead of repairing the old ones. If your phone is out of order, you will not go for repairing. You will buy a new mobile, right? So why do people do that?
Because I think that mostly people repairs his phone and mostly get a new phone, bought new phone from market, and I think mostly.
Okay, in part 3 you need to focus seriously. You have issues with understanding of the question, right? Let's go on. What is the product which is consumed most in your country? Or which product is consumed most in your country?
I think mobile phone is most consumed in my country, and everyone has his own mobile, and everyone used to playing games and watching movie on mobile, and that's the major point.
Okay, everyone used to playing games, watching TV. That's wrong. You should say most of the people play games and watch different movies on their mobiles. Therefore, I think mobile phone is the item or device which is most consumed in my country. ऐसा बोलना है. Okay, let's go on. All right. Is there anything that you don't like to buy? You can say anything, like I don't want to buy cameras, expensive cameras, because I don't like cameras. I've got a nice mobile and anything. Come on. Is there anything that you don't like to buy?
Yes, I want to. I don't want to buy cameras because it is very expensive. And
They are very expensive. Cameras, they are very expensive.
and it is out of my range, and I can't afford it.
Okay. So number one, grammar. Number two, understanding of the questions. That's what we say, coherence of your answer. Coherence and pronunciation, that is one criteria. And your answers are short. So these type of things are really serious. Anyways, looking at your performance at present, I'll give you a bench score 5, right? But with a little effort, you can make it 5.5. And then if you improve your grammatical structures, then you can reach 6 man.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Thank you.